Hello all. So welcome to day 7 of my 100-day AI journey. Till yesterday I have worked with the video generations, then image processing and also the prompt engineering, and lastly on yesterday I have worked on the 11 labs on creating some music and your own voice, AI cloning voice. Okay, so today I have made some projects based on the automation tool which is known as the make.com. Here I try to make one blog post with the use of the automation, and that I'll be showcasing that how I've done it, and what are the tools that has been required, and what is those API that has been generated and used in the make.com. So let me dive into this make.com. There are many automation tools like make.com, then n8n, Zapier. So there are different kinds of automation tools that we can use. So for today, for creating this mini project, I've used this make.com. So we can get started free. So here we can do the sign up with the Google login. Hosting region, if you are in the EU or in the US, so choose EU and sign up for free. So again it will ask for some survey. Search engines, I have no experience with automation. It's just for random survey that it is being taking. None of this describe me. What size is your organization? Only me. What is the primary goal for using AI in your automation? uh, just exploring. It have asked you to like which of the apps that you are going to use. Just mention some of the tools over here. Okay, you can use more than 500 to 600 apps over there directly. It's just for a pure survey basis. Okay, so this is the dashboard where you are getting a credits of 1000 credits left, and the automatic it will be taking the rollover, the 30 days usage reuse, and how many scenarios you are going to make. So let me just show you the interface, that how it is to be used and how we can automate the things over here. So it is given as the suggested apps, make AI agents, make AI tools, OpenAI. So these are the different LLMs, OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, then Google Sheets, Notion, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook pages, right? And let me show you some of the templates. So these are the different automation templates that everyone is using. See, under each workflow it's being mentioned as 36567 times that it has been used for the automation process. 17149 times it has been used for the automation process. So see, it's like saved new Gmail attachments to Google Drive. So whenever you are trying to attach any attach any file to the Gmail, it will be automatically updated to the Google Drive. So this is the one of the template that has been used. Create a basic chatbot for WhatsApp. So WhatsApp Business Cloud to WhatsApp Business Cloud. So it will be integrated with each other with the both the WhatsApp. Then post new Facebook pages posts to another Facebook page. So it's like a cross posting. Whatever content you are typing, you are creating, you are just cross posting into another Facebook page. So that's how the different workflows you can work on, and you also can create the new template based on your requirement. So that's all about the templates. Then if you are if you are currently in any organization and you are working on a particular template where many other members that are also working on the same project, so it can be used by every like 4 or 5 people or more than 100 people, they can use on that particular template. Now coming to the organization, the dashboard. Kindly, since you have mentioned you are the only single user for it, so that has been my user. The subscriptions, is there any subscription? So for free, what is the plan for make plan and for the company plan? So there are the different plans are over there, like you can use this number of scenarios to automate your things, and for make plan you may use 100 scenarios for this make plan. So the scenario count differs as per the plan you choose. Now the credit usage, if you are providing any kinds of API, then it will be shown that what currently, if you are using any kinds of scenarios or the automation with the use of the API, then it will show that how much usage that you have took. Then the payments, installed apps. So currently there is no installed apps that has been downloaded over here. I'm using it for the first time with this mail ID. That's why you are not showcasing this one. Then the scenario properties and the notification options. Okay, so uh, I till now I have tried with the simple thing only, that creating the scenario. So let me tell you that what is my agenda for today. I'll be creating one blog post with the use of this automation process. So let me first switch off this. Okay, and so that you also can show and I can show everything over here. So currently I'll show you that how to build a scenario from the scratch. Let me write it over here that I'll be creating a blog post, the use of make.com automation, right? So for this I need two tools. This is make.com, OpenAI API, sorry, three tools, then Google Doc. So these are the tools that I require to create the automation process. Now let me show you how to do that. Okay, build from scratch. I'll be using the HTTP protocol. Make a request. So I so HTTP request I'm making to uh, since I want to make a blog post, I want to create or to deliver that request to the OpenAI, or maybe I'll be maybe you can use a Claude, OpenAI, or even Gemini. So to bring in the API, what you are requesting, that response you should receive from that particular API. So for this authentication type, I'll be using no authentication. Then URL, already I have chosen some of the URL. Since I have be using the OpenAI API, I'll be showing where I have taken, yeah. So I'll be using this link as the OpenAI. Uh, where is it? As the URL. Then it will be the post method. It's a different thing to call the API. API stands for the application programming interface. So it's a bridge between the two applications. Whenever you are requesting something, that means it creates and brings that particular feature from that, and try to implement into the another application. Now coming to the header, I'll write as authorization. Okay, the value. Okay, for the value, I am going to this OpenAI API. Let me show you how. Okay, you can use this Claude also. Let me bring my pictures back. Okay, so you can use Claude also, and even uh, Gemini, but since I have used or I have taken some of the credits beforehand, so I'll be using the OpenAI API. Okay, let me show you how to create this OpenAI platform. Continue with Google. I'll be using another Gmail, since there I have already purchased some of the API. See, whenever you are clicking this OpenAI API, it will be coming into this dashboard where you can bring or create the APIs, right? See, currently there is no credits remaining in my this API, as it's a totally new brand new account. Here you can go and create your new APIs. See, you can write test, default project, create secret key. Okay, so the API key has been generated, uh, but you won't be able to use this API key in the make.com currently, as and it will show some error afterwards when you are trying to run that automation, because it does not have any credits left. Okay, so I'll do one thing, as I have already have a credit on my another Gmail. See, I have $120 left in this account, so I'll be using one of the API from here only. Okay, so I'll create one API directly here. See, create new secret key. So let me name this as test 3 default project, create secret key. Okay, why is it taking some time? Let me refresh this. Oh, it has generated. Last use never test 4. Okay, save. Uh, okay, let me create another key, test 5. See, now I'm copying this API key. Okay, now I'll be putting over here in this make.com. So before putting your API key, just you need to write BRR, okay, and put this key, right? Now add a second header, content type, okay, content type, and the value is, I tried to get it through ChatGPT how to do that thing, since I am totally new to this. So I am asking ChatGPT and Claude only how to do and how to automate run, how to automate everything. Sorry. So okay, so it should be the application JSON. Then type Okay, keep the query parameters as null, body content type as application JSON. Then the body content type, I think I have used as this. As I'm using it for the first time, so that is why it is taking too much of time. So what it is showing over here, body content JSON string, and then the body content, right? Okay, where is this? Hmm. JSON string authentication. Just hold on for a minute. Okay, header 1, header 2, empty, raw JSON. Okay. Ah, fine, fine. I forgot. Since we need to give this, we need to we need to give a particular content to this, right? Since we are requesting something through the API, we need to request that what we exactly need from the API. It has not copied everything. Let me copy the whole thing. Okay. Fine. So I've copied and click on save and click on run. So I hope it will run on the first attempt only. It will take some time. It will take some time. See, okay. So here already this HTTP request already made the request and the first one is running. Right. Now, what do I need? Now I need to create the second module like the Google Doc so that you can see that how that blog is being generated automatically while I'm making the HTTP run here. Okay. So let me create another module, that is the Google Doc. Okay, Google Docs. Create a document. Fine. And create a, okay, before that I need to make one sheet or folder in the Google Docs, Google Drive, under the Google Drive, since I'm Google Workspace simplified. Fine. So let me create one folder. Okay, test testing automation. testing automation. Okay, so I have named this folder as testing automation. Now create a connection. As always, you need to create the connection between this whenever you are trying to add any kinds of more module, you need to create the connection between this make.com and that particular module over here, so that it remains in the automatic process. See, my Google connection has been added. Now let me add once again. See, fine. So now let me create this. See, from here I'll be able to get the different types of data over here. See the choices, messages, role. The name should be the role assistant. Keep it over here, and the content is your creation of the whole blog post. Choose a drive. Okay, now choose a drive from where you are going to bring in this data. Click here to choose folder. So it will show the testing automation. Just now what I've added in this Google Drive, it will showcase this item, and click on save. Right, now let me run this one. Okay, before that I want to show you one thing. See, under the testing automation there is no document present as of now. So once I run this HTTP request, it will create the doc with the blog post over there. Okay, I have already started the automation process. Let's see how it goes on. So this is my first AI project, that what I'm building, a mini project, but I okay, it has created something. So let me go into this. Okay, check. I have given the name of this Google Doc as the assistant, as the name is the assistant, and the message content will be the AI automated content or the blog post. So, see, it has created this document. Let me click on it and we can check. See, this is the blog post that has been created with the use of the make.com automation. So yeah, I have made my first mini AI project within the 7 days mark. So yeah, that's how I am using this make.com and the other AI tools, and how to build something. I'm trying to implement those small things on each and every day. So yeah, so that's all from my end today. Maybe I'll be deep diving into this make.com, that how to get more use cases out of this, so I can create more automated process in the upcoming future. That's all for day 7. Thank you everyone. I hopefully I'll be doing some content creations or AI writing in the content, maybe for the day 8. So let's hope, and I will try to automate this thing also for the day 8, and so it reduces the hustle or uh, haphazard thinking and and having so many works at a single time. So I'll try to reduce those things for day 8, and yeah, thank you everyone.